In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading feature inside the CoinEx app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app right here, we can simply go down here to Futures and then click on these three dots here and then simply click down here on Demo Trading. As you can see, we now get to this demo trading mode. If you sign up with the link from the description, you will automatically get $100,000 of demo funds up here. And if you don't have any, you can also request more. And now you can try out the entire platform. So you can go long or short. Let me quickly open a trade for you just to show you for demonstration. And as you will see, everything works exactly as it would inside of the live trading mode. You can also see your trade down here. And if you want to go back at any time, simply click up here, back to live trading. Don't forget to claim your sign up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.